Hello YouTubers, today I'll be showing you how to diagnose an air leak on one of these pancake air compressors. This one's made or marketed by Porter Cable. There's also Black & Decker versions, dewalt, crafsman, all very similar and use the same parts. I won't be showing you how to take apart the air compressor. I'll put a link to an excellent video that tells you how to do that in the description. This one is just to show you if you have an air leak that seems to be coming from below the plastic housing to tell whether it's your check valve or if it's your valve plate in your cylinder. Alright, now that we've got the air compressor apart and we can tell it's leaking air from this top hole. It could be one of two things. It could be the reed valves, which are underneath the head there, or it could be the check valve, which it most likely is. In order to tell the difference, you want to kink the tube. And if that stops the air leak, then you know it's the check valve.